Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to see the posts you have liked on Facebook. It's very simple and easy process. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile phone. Then you will see a hamburger menu with the profile picture on the top right hand side, so tap on it. Then menu will open. And here you will see the settings gear icon on the top right hand side, so tap on it. Then settings and privacy page will open. Here you have to scroll down and look for the option activity log. After finding the option, simply tap on it. Then on the activity log page, scroll a little bit and you will see your profile activity option. Simply expand it and you will see the option manage comments and reactions. Tap on it. Then on the next page, tap on the filters option on the top left hand side, select categories, then select the third option, likes and reactions. Then on the next page, you will see the posts you have liked on Facebook. To view the post, simply tap on these three dots, then tap on the first option, view. And this is how you can see the posts you have liked on Facebook.